second, and tonight, our Mexicana Pilipinas second runner-up, Helen Nicolette Hansen.
Yan siguro.
They say that even the polygon believes it has a own reason of existence. And the reason why has are homosexual or gay in this society is to give love, color, and beauty. Nasa niyo po ang harapan ang babae na mula pa sa ABS-CBN, Miss Roxanne Ginoo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Let's now welcome candidate number 3.
Kalapate niya.
A glorious evening to each and every one of you. I am 20-year-old from Bebe Anak, Masantol, Pampanga, but for tonight, allow me to carry the image. Binibini, Michelle Madrigal. Maraming salamat po.
Let's welcome candidate number 4.
Ang tunay na kagandahan ay hindi lamang po nakikita sa panloob ng kanyuan. Dahil ang tunay na kagandahan ay nandito na sa inyong harapan. Makalaman po kami sa inyong paningin. Bakit hindi niyo po kami subukang mahalin? At kung sakaling hindi man po kayo sumaya sa aming piling, at saka kayo na lamang po kami lilisanin. A glorious evening to each and everyone, especially the board of judges, Madam and Sir, Maya Adios Baby Poo Kekongan. Standing in front of you, my name is Laika Anne-Marie Sardon, for the gay community of Arabia, Bebe Anak, Masantol, Pampanga. But tonight, nandito po sa inyong harapan na nag-iisang Diyosa ng ABS-CBN. Sabay-sabay po natin salubungin at sigaw, Binibini Ann Curtis. Mas gugustuhin pa po tumira sa bahay kubo dahil na nakatira ay tao. Kesa naman po tumira sa bahay na bato kung katulong ka lamang dito. Maraming salamat po.
Let us now welcome candidate number 5. A glorious evening to each and everyone. Standing in front of you is a 24-year-old standard from the gay community of San Isidro, Masantol, Pampanga, Sir Madam Maya Abegi Pugleton. For tonight, to be allowed to stand by the name, the one and only Miss Rupa Gutierrez, na nag-iiwan isang katagang, aring kwanda mo kung patay ng kabayo. Ahin naman ang lalaki kung di marunong, mga bayo. Let's welcome candidate number 6.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Will Ann Javier. I'm 80 years of age, and let me now stand by the name ang nagpatibok sa puso ni Cholo, ang nag-iisang Rian Ramos. Before I leave this stage, in order to win the title, you have to be the best. If you have to be the best, you have to be yourself. God be all, and good evening.
Thank you, candidate number 6. This time, let us welcome our last candidate, candidate number 7.
But tonight, please do allow me to cherish the image of the beautiful DJ industry. Opo, Miss Iya, Liliana, na nag-iiwalay sa kasabihan ko ang babae ay langit at ang lalaki ay lupa. Oo, kami mga bating ay kulong, nakakalong sa inyo, mga in love.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mayo Mabegi po, and this is your host, Mr. Rolly Dizon. And I guess you will stay here for us and enjoy this night, for we will now have our Miss Gay 2010. Ladies and gentlemen, alam ko, nakapili na po kami ng Best in National Costume, and they are wearing that beautiful costume that we have. We have costume from number 1 to number 7. And I would like to ask to please step forward for our first special award. And I will check our score once again.